Hello, friends. Today, we're diving into the comforting, slurpy, and oh so delicious world of noodles. From ancient traditions to modern kitchens, noodles are more than just food. They're a story of culture, creativity, and connection served in a bowl. Noodles have been around for thousands of years. In fact, the oldest known noodles were discovered in China, dating back over 4,000 years. Since then, they've traveled across the globe, transforming and adapting to local tastes. Today, whether you're in Japan enjoying a hot bowl of ramen, in Italy twirling spaghetti with a fork, or in Thailand savoring. So, what exactly are noodles? At their core, they're simple. A dough made from flour and water, sometimes with eggs, rolled out and cut into long, thin shapes. From this humble base comes endless variety. Wheat noodles, rice noodles, egg noodles, buckwheat soba, glass noodles, the list goes on. Each type brings its own texture and personality to the table, ready to soak up flavors and carry sauces, broths, and spices. One of the most magical things about noodles is their versatility. They can be served hot in steaming soups, stir-fried with vibrant vegetables, or chilled in refreshing salads. They can be rich and hearty, like lasagna layered with cheese and sauce, or light and delicate, like vermicelli in a summer roll. No matter how you prepare them, noodles have a way of wrapping comfort. And of course, noodles are more than just food. They're culture and tradition. In China, long noodles are a symbol of long life, often eaten on birthdays for good luck. In Japan, slurping ramen isn't just allowed, it's encouraged, showing appreciation for the meal. In Italy, pasta is at the heart of family gatherings, a dish that brings people together around the table. Across the world, noodles are woven into celebrations, daily meals, and family stories. Noodles are also a canvas for creativity. Chefs and home cooks alike play with endless flavors: spicy, sweet, tangy, savory. They can carry the bold kick of chili, the creaminess of cheese, or the delicate fragrance of herbs. From quick, instant noodles that fuel late-night study sessions to gourmet dishes that take hours to perfect. And let's not forget the fun side of noodles. Who hasn't laughed at trying to slurp a long strand without making a mess, or enjoyed the playful twirl of spaghetti around a fork? There's something joyful and even a little childlike about eating noodles, reminding us that food isn't just about nourishment. It's about enjoyment too. At the end of the day, noodles represent more than just a meal. They're a symbol of tradition, unity, creativity, and comfort. Every bowl tells a story. Every bite connects us to history, and every slurp brings a smile. So next time you sit down with a plate or bowl of noodles, remember, you're not just eating food. You're experiencing a piece of history, culture, and joy that has traveled across centuries and continents to land right in front of you. Thank you for joining me on this delicious journey into the world of noodles. Stay tuned for more adventures into the wonders of nature and food.